Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's John Erickson. Spent years using chainsaws, leaf blowers, and pole saws, and still do to this day. I have some land up in Big Bear, and every year San Bernardino County sends me notice saying I've got to clear out the land. So I'm up there with rakes and leaf blowers to clean things out and keep things organized. Pole saws for lighter work, harder to reach places, and obviously chainsaws for the bigger pieces. I've got some great video of me on a chainsaw with my parents back east where I grew up. A lot of land, a lot of trees. Every fall the leaves come down, got to clean them up, blow them together, trim trees using either the pole saw for the higher, hard to reach spots, or the chainsaw for the bigger, thicker wood, which you'll see. Absolutely love it. Very conscientious of safety and my surroundings, and would love to have some fun. So thanks so much. Honey, play the Get It Done playlist. Hello! Yes, hi! Oh, you've been hard at work. It's really coming along nicely. If you'd like to try this one, I just got it. It works really well. Okay. Well, talk soon. Give it a shot when you're done. Bye now.
We play by our own rules, by working smarter, not harder, letting technology do the work. Skil's high-powered lithium battery works on all our tools, recharging in just 15 minutes. Ditch the gas and keep the power. Skil, the tools to do the job, the technology to do it better. Skil, what powers you?